Imagine a stock that has surged from just rupees 72.65 to 477.75 in just 2 years. That's a staggering 560% return. This hidden gem recently secured its largest ever single order worth rupees 126 crores and has just completed a major preferential allotment showing strong promoter confidence. With an order book exceeding rupees 20,000 million, this company is showing no signs of slowing down. Want to know which stock is this? Stay tuned as we will reveal the name of this company, and also we will be diving into the financials of the company along with there are other two promising picks that could be the next market movers. So hello and welcome to another exciting edition of Noisemaker where we cut through the market noise and we spotlight on hidden gems with real potential. I'm Gauri Malik, equity research analyst at Desvelado Advisory, and today we'll be diving into how these SMEs are making significant moves that could shape their future growth. So without further delay, let's get started. And please remember, this is not a buy or sell recommendation of any kind. Today we have shortlisted three stocks which are Kirloskar Industries Limited, Kilburn Engineering Limited and AVG Logistics Limited. First up is Kirloskar Industries Limited, a diversified company engaged in iron castings, investments, wind power generation, and real estate. The company recently made headlines as its subsidiary, Kirloskar Ferrous Industries Limited, commenced operations of new oxygen plant in Karnataka. This rupees 37 crore plant with a capacity of 3,000 normal meter cubed per hour is set to enhance the steel production by efficiently optimizing the coal injection, and also it will be reducing the coke usage. Looking at the financials of the company, quarter 2 of financial year 25 showed promising growth with revenue increasing by 8.3% and EBITDA margins improving to 13%. The company's strategic focus on real estate development with 0.17 million square feet under current development, and also the company plans for 1.56 million square feet for further expansions, positioning the company for future growth very well. Next, let's talk about Kilburn Engineering Limited, a specialist in processing, designing, and manufacturing equipment for processing plants. They have recently made significant moves by allotting 17,47,500 equity shares and 47,62,500 convertible warrants on a preferential basis at rupees 425 per share. This has increased their paid-up equity capital to rupees 47.02 crores. Financially, they have shown strong performance with the quarter 2 financial year 25 revenue growing by 22% and maintaining impressive EBITDA margins of 27%. Lastly, we have AVG Logistics Limited, a comprehensive logistics service provider operating across India. They have recently allotted 2,30,000 equity shares to the promoter Sanjay Gupta through warrant conversion at rupees 166.95 per share, raising 3.84 crores. The company has secured significant contracts including a rupees 60 crore tender from UPSRTC and a rupees 105 crore contract from Indian Railways. Their quarter 2 financial year 25 performance shows robust growth with revenue up 13% and steady EBITDA margins at 18%. Now let's look at how our previous picks have performed. First, Windsor Machines Limited covered at 253 on 12th of November, now at 274.5, which is up by 8.49%. Sterlite Technologies covered at 120, now at 118.2, down by 1.5%. KNR Constructions covered at 306.4 on 13th of November, now at 302.1, down by 1.4%. Orient Technologies covered at 412 on 14th of November, now at 413, up by 0.24%. And Dishman Carbogen Armix Limited covered at 208 on 14th of November, now at 214, up by 2.88%. So that's it for today. In case you missed out on any information, you can refer to the Noisemaker PDF in the description. Thank you.